Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this tip is coming. It's a new tip. I went to the APA Awards Personalization Association show in Las Vegas this last week, and I learned a few things from my mentor Roy Brewer. I actually taught a couple of classes on Corel Draw there, and I had the pleasure of him setting in on one. And he knows, he's watched some of my videos, and he knows I like the virtual segment delete key and I like the color fill tool or the smart fill tool. And down in the booth, he told me a little trick. Now, if you wanted this shape, and let's just zoom in here a little bit. If you wanted this shape right here, I would just color fill it. Get your smart fill tool and color fill it, and then you have that shape and you're done. But that might not always work. And he knew I liked the virtual segment delete key, and you can't really weld this, because if you weld it, you get the opposite thing. Now, there is a way around that, and it all depends if you know if it's back minus front, and you get that shape. But a lot of times, that isn't even going to work, and sometimes you might not know what's back and front. So, he knew I liked the virtual segment delete key, so we're going to grab the virtual segment delete key. Whoop, I took out the wrong line. But these are still two broken parts. Now you could weld it, but you've got the virtual segment delete key right there. If you will hold down the shift key, you see the cursor change to like join nodes. And just lasso it all, and now that is one solid object. You've got an outline and don't have to do anything with it. So holding down the shift key while you've got the virtual segment delete key, I call it a key, it's just a virtual segment delete item. But there you go. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.